Hello, Trees Tribe, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Trees. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've already been here, thank you so much for returning. How you doing? You doing good? You look blessed. So today, we are doing a look with the it's not new. The Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. Yes. The purple one. If you have the purple one, that's what we're doing today. I had been contemplating whether I wanted to pick these up, whether I wanted to get the whole vault, or whether I just wanted to get certain palettes. And I realized that I already have a lot of warm toned eyeshadows. So this is one that I really didn't have per se. And so I just decided to pick this one up. So this is the revamped version of the palettes. So mine worked just fine. I know some people, well, a lot of people were complaining online that it was not popping, but I guess I got a good batch. So I tried to use as many colors as I could in the palette just to get a real look out of it instead of just using one or two. And for the most part, I did. I used a lot. You can kind of tell which ones I've dug into, but I got a lot of use out of it. I think it turned out super cute. I paired it with this mauve lip, and I think it goes really good. I love when my makeup matches my outfit and it becomes an aesthetic, right? So without further ado, I do not want to ramble. If you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy. My social media handle, my Instagram, is down below, as well as all of the products that I used, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, loves, so I am priming my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige, and then I'm just blending that out, and I'm going to throw some translucent powder on the top just to set it a little bit. So now going into the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection Bling Boss palette, I'm going to be taking Hush Hush first and placing that in the crease. So I didn't expect this to be too pigmented, honestly, but you know what, it was a good transition color, so it's fine. So I'm just buffing that all into the crease. Now I'm going in with Sparks, and we're going to put that a little bit below Hush Hush. So I still want it to be able to peek through a little bit, but I don't want this too high. So this is going to be our next shade, kind of deeper in my actual crease, and I'm just blending that out. Now I'm going into Rockstar, and I'm going to be doing the same thing. So placing that a little bit below Sparks and just doing the blending game, y'all. So you'll see me go back and forth with Hush Hush and Sparks just to kind of intensify it a little bit. Sometimes darker colors can get lost in each other. And I used Hush Hush to make sure that the edges were smoothly blended out. So that's why I keep going back into that with my fluffy brush. Now I'm just plucking out some excess hairs I had under my eyebrows. I haven't gotten them done yet, but once you put on eyeshadow, you can kind of tell where your stray hairs are. So now, like I said, going back in with Sparks and just blending as I see fit. Now I'm going into Balsy, and at first I used this flat synthetic brush. It was not working, child. So I switched to my handy dandy elf brush with a little bit more natural hair, and it worked just fine. So I put that in the center. Now I'm going in with Bling Bling, and I'm putting that near the inner corner of my eye. So we're layering the shimmers. So now going into Pizzazz, I'm putting that behind Balsy on the outer corner, not in the middle. And we're going to end up blending all of these together with the flat brush. But I'm going to take Gem and put that on the very outer corner. So it kind of went from lightest to darkest as far as shimmers are concerned. So now just take that brush and blend with each other as you see fit, just to kind of make it seamless, so it's not like one color to another color to another color. So now taking this brush, I'm just defining or kind of cleaning up the crease area from putting down the shimmers so it's a smoother glide. Now I'm going in with my NYC Liquid Liner in Extreme Black, and I'm just lining my eyes for my lashes, but I'm not creating a wing because I didn't want to take away from the look. And then I'm going to pop on some Miss Lashes. Don't have the name of them. They were in my lash pile. And I'm going to actually do my whole face off camera because, yeah, this is more so about the eyes. And y'all have seen me do my face. I haven't changed my routine. And then we're going to move on. All right, we are back. So I am lining my waterline with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk because I'm going to go in with one of the shadows, Hush Hush, and place that in my waterline. So I don't have a liner this color, and this is a trick that I do. It makes your eyes water a little bit, but you can kind of create your own liner by doing this trick, and it stays all day. So now going into sparks, we're going to define that lower lash line underneath our waterline. With all of the colors we basically put in our crease that aren't shimmers, we're going to put those underneath our eyes. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara to blend my lashes with the falsies, and then I'm going to go in with Gem and just place a little bit of that on the outer corner. I thought it was pretty, kind of underneath my lash line. Now going into Bling Bling, it's going to go in our inner corner. And then I'm just defining my lower lashes with my Maybelline Lash Discovery Mascara. It's tiny enough to get my non-existent baby lashes. So now I'm just blending out all that powder, and then I'm going to take Sparks and use that as a blush actually on my cheeks. I thought it was super duper pretty. I do this all the time. Defining or creating my faux moles with my Jordana black pencil, nothing new. And then I'm going to go into the Itsmyrayeraye palette and take Radiant and do my highlight. And excuse that noise, y'all. Somebody in my apartment complex is taking a shower, and it's hella loud. So I'm just highlighting all the areas I normally highlight. Nose, cheeks, Cupid's bow. And I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution matte setting spray and set lip face. And then just pat that in per the usual. Now I am taking Toffee Talk by Wet n Wild. It's one of their catsuit liquid lipsticks, and I'm just using that all over my lips. And then I'm going to put Give Me Mocha on the edges because I didn't think it was as defined as I wanted. So it just gave it a little dimension, and that is it, loves.